Good morning, students. I am Manjula Agarwal. We will discuss here the chapter of class 9th, The Sound of Music. This chapter has two parts. Section A, Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it. And Section B, The Senai of Bismillah Khan. Today we will discuss the chapter of The Sound of Music, first part. In this chapter, the writer tells about two music maestros and their lives. First is Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it. The setting of this story is on the train platform. Evelyn is of Scotland and she is going to Europe. As you know, Scotland is not so fast as London. She is going from Scotland to London, so she is very nervous. Now, Evelyn Glennie, a multi-percussionist, she is of Scottish musician. Now she can play more than 1000 instruments with perfection. The interesting thing is about the title. See the title. Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it. How it is possible? She didn't listen, but she listens without hearing it. Evelyn is profoundly deaf. This was first known by her mother when she was only 8 years, but at that time she did not disclose this to her friends and teacher, and her teachers knew when she was 11 years old. She had difficulty in hearing, but she wants to pursue her career in music, but her teachers discourage her. She did not become discouraged. One day, Evelyn decided to play xylophone when she saw that one girl was playing xylophone. Fortunately, Ron Forbes came into her life and he recognized her latent talent. He advised her not to listen through her ears but try to feel it in some other way. From the waist down. Earlier, she felt it from the waist down, and after that, every part of the body, she can feel the vibration. She felt the vibration at higher and lower drums differently. She could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. Her teacher helped her to achieve her goal, which seems at first was impossible, but she continued, work hard, and ultimately she was able to get her dream true. She toured the United Kingdom with the youth orchestra. She auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music in London by playing the xylophone. She also started to give solo performances. Evelyn gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals. In 1991, she was awarded the Soloist of the Year award. She became a renowned personality in the music industry. She has many accolades and awards to her name. She became a great inspiration to the especially abled community. This story shows how hard work and determination can serve us well. She inspires all of us to overcome our physical disabilities and achieve our dreams and goals. Thank you, students.